What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can start generating $1,100 every single week just using free traffic. I'm literally going to share with you how you can get thousands of free leads rushing into your business so you can start to promote whatever affiliate offer you want to start to rake in money as soon as this week. But before I jump into this, I really do hope you're having an amazing day. And even if your day is a little bit not so great, by the end of this video, after you apply this method, hopefully this will cheer you up. Now, this method works incredibly well, but it's just scratching the surface. So if you want to go further after you watch this video, be sure to click the first link directly below. That's going to take you to my #1 affiliate training program so you can really scale this to thousands of dollars a month and really achieve your financial goals. Last but not least, if you're excited to learn this method, be sure to smash the like button and comment, "Let's go." This tells me you want me to make more videos just like this. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive into the very first step. Okay, so the very first step is we need to find a product to promote. Now, there's a lot of different places you can go online, but for the sake of this video, we're going to use Digistore24. Okay, so all you have to do is go to that website. It's an affiliate marketplace with tons of different products, and you just go to the top. If you don't have an account, you can click register now, and you can go ahead and go through the sign up process. Okay, it takes just a few minutes. You want to go through and sign up as an affiliate, and then you can go ahead and create a username, an email, password, etc. Now, once you're actually inside of your back office, we want to go to the very top tab under marketplace, because this is going to list all these different products that we can actually promote, and they have tons of different categories: animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment. Now, you can really choose whatever category you want. But for the sake of this video, if you just want to copy what I'm doing, we're going to go to e-business and internet marketing category. Okay, so go ahead and click that category. And what you want to understand with Digistore24 is they have all these different products you can promote. And we can see all this information. Okay, we can see the percent of commission we're going to make when we refer someone and they buy through our affiliate link. We're going to see what's the average earnings per sale. And we also can see our affiliate link. Now, sometimes it may say promote now, which you'll just need to click that, and then it will unlock your affiliate link. And this is what we want to promote. And when someone buys through that link, we'll be able to get credit and we'll be able to make money. Now, what I like to do is I like to sort results by popularity on Digistore24, because this is going to share with you the products that most people are promoting right now. Now, it's actually good to promote products that other people are promoting and making sales with, because that tells you you'll probably be able to make sales as well. So we can look down and see these different products. But this product right here is actually the most popular right now in the e-business category. And you can see that it has 50% commissions, which is pretty good. And earnings average is $38.98. Okay, so that's actually really good as well. That means we're gonna earn on average close to $40 per sale. And as you follow this free traffic method I'm gonna reveal towards the end of the video, it's gonna blow your mind how many people you can get to go to this link so you can start to make these sales very easily. So again, if you don't see your link, you just want to click this promote now button here, and your link should appear right there. Okay, now we actually want to keep this handy, and we actually want to open this in a new tab, and we want to actually look at the sales page, because this is going to come in handy in just a second. Now, we want to look at this. Apparently teaches people, how to become a millionaire, and secrets. We've made thousands with this system, works on all devices. So you really want to understand what benefits your product has, what's on the sales page, and things like that, because again, we're going to use that in just a second. So the problem most people have with affiliate marketing is they send this traffic that I'm going to share in just a second. They share this massive amount of traffic and they send it directly to a page like this, a sales page. Now, why is this a problem? Well, we can see right here that it's $19 for the person to actually buy, but most people will not buy right away. Okay, so if you're sending everyone directly to the sales page, most people are not going to buy, and you're missing out on stacks of money on the table. Instead, what we want to do is actually capture your prospect or your lead's information, like an email address, and then we can follow up through emails, sending them back to this page until they get enough information to decide to buy. Okay, so this could take up to 7 different exposures. Think of yourself, maybe when you want to buy a product online, you don't just buy right away. You research, you ask your friends and family, and then you purchase. Okay, so that's how other people are as well. So how do we do this? Well, you can actually go to a website called system.io, and in fact, I'll include a link directly below in the description where you can actually sign up. It's actually totally free, okay, for your first 2,000 contacts. So your first 2,000 leads, it's actually free. And then it's just $27 a month for 5,000 contacts, etc. Okay, so you can see that it's very affordable. And again, you can get started totally for free. Now, once you get started for free, you're going to get taken to your dashboard here. Now, this is a brand new account I created for this tutorial. But what you want to do is you want to go to menu and you want to go to funnels, because what we're going to do is actually create a funnel, and we're going to create a page that will redirect people to the sales page so we can capture their email. So you can go to the top, click create. Now you can name this. Now we can actually name it the name of this product. Okay, so it says, you know, make money online offer, $1 million replicator. Okay, so we want to copy that, and I can go here, I can put in the name, and then I want to click build an audience and then create, because we're going to be building an audience with this funnel. Now, they have all these different templates and you can choose. I like to keep it very simple, okay? So you can just select one like this. Okay, we wanna go ahead and edit that, okay? So we just click here and it's gonna open up the page editor, and we wanna actually make this relevant to the offer, okay? We wanna make this page congruent and similar to the sales page, so it makes sense when someone puts their email in and then they'll get redirected to the sales page. So we want to go back to our sales page and we want to just kind of look at this and see, what is it saying? You know, what is it claiming? So again, this is all about making millions. So it says, you know, finally time to find out the secret how millionaires make their money. So honestly, you know, I could just use that for the front page, okay? So take something from the page, and again, if you can literally just do the same offer that I'm promoting in this video and do the same exact type of page, that's totally fine by me. So I can say something like, you know, discover the secret millionaires don't want you to know on how they built their wealth, okay? Something like that, okay? You can tell that it's very curiosity building. You know, people are gonna wanna know how to do that. You can actually adjust the font size like that. You can really make it drag and drop. I typically remove the first name because you just really care about the email address. And if you add another box, the more information you try to request, the less conversions and the less people will actually put their email in. So we want as many people to put their email in as possible. And that actually looks pretty darn good. So we can go ahead and save changes at the top. The next thing also you want to do is you want to click this button and send form. That's fine. But also right here, do you want to redirect users? We want to go to a custom URL, okay? Because when someone puts their email address in, we want it to redirect to our sales page. So then all you have to do is go back to Digistore, copy your affiliate link right there, and then you can go ahead and paste that in. And then you can go ahead again and save the changes. And then we just want to preview what this looks like, okay? So that right there is looking really good. So when someone hits this page, discover the secret millionaires don't want you to know on how they built their wealth, that's relevant to the sales page. They'll put their email address in, and then again, it will redirect them here. You can go ahead and follow up with them until they buy. Okay, then we just want to go back to this page right here, and we actually want to click on this paperclip here. That will copy the link to our squeeze page, to our capture page. Now, the next step is we're going to use this powerful, little known free traffic source to get thousands of leads rushing to our capture page so we can start to make these commissions. Now, before I share with you this exact free website, be sure to smash the like button again if you haven't already, just to let me know you're loving this content and to make more. We're gonna go to is a site called dragonsafelist.com. Now, once you go to this site, what you wanna do is you want to actually click the join now button. What this site allows you to do is send a message and ad out to all these different members, okay? And currently it has over 18,000 members. So just imagine how powerful this is gonna be when you actually use this, okay? So click join now, fill out a username, password, things like that, okay? And then submit that. Now, once you're actually inside of your account, you can see that you start off with 1,000 credits. You can go ahead and send a message to these people. So we want to go to mailer and we want to hit send mailing, okay? So that's going to take you here. Now we want to send a message out to all these people so we can start to get tons of traffic. Now, how do we do this, right? Well, you may be wondering, what do I put in this mailing? Well, if you go back to Digistore24, a lot of these products, they actually have affiliate support pages. So if you open up this affiliate support page, you can scroll down and you can see they have email swipes, okay? So they have messages you can use. So I can go ahead and copy this as the subject line and right there, I can go back to this and put that in like that, boom. Now I can go back here, I can copy the body and I can go back to here and I can put that in as the body, right? Which is absolutely incredible. I can make this look a little bit better here by formatting it. Okay, right there, I can hit some spaces and I just want to make this look, you know, good like that. And then you can put in, you know, your name, best, you know, Garrett in my example, and then go ahead and hit enter. And again, just make this look good like that. Now, where it says, see how normal people are making a fortune and it has the link. Okay, what we can do is we can actually go ahead and grab our affiliate link right here. And rather than putting that long affiliate link in the message, we can go to a website called tinyurl.com. And we just want to paste this long URL into the box right there like I did here. And then just click make tiny URL. And now we want to copy, okay, this link here. So you can just click here, copy. Okay, you just put that link in right there. Now it says credits. It says you can use up to 500 credits right now. Okay, so 1 member is per credit. And then I can go ahead and put in 500 for there and hit send. It's validating the URL and then it will wait a couple seconds and then it will actually go ahead and post to the site, okay? And we will start getting massive amount of people going to our squeeze page, putting in their email, getting redirected here, and then a portion of them will actually buy, and then you can start to make up to $1,100 every single week. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful method. Again, if you did, be sure to smash the like button. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you are always notified of my weekly videos. And last but not least, I'm gonna include a link directly below to that free training video revealing my #1 affiliate program so you can go ahead and take your results even further and hit your financial goals as fast and as easy as possible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching and I will see you on my next video.